What if I told you, most car owners are actually damaging their paint while trying to make it shine? Yeah, using the wrong polish and wax can leave swirl marks, dull finishes, and zero protection. But don't worry, today we're fixing that. In this video, we're breaking down the 3 best car polish and wax kits that can turn your car into a mirror on wheels without spending a fortune on detailing. We'll compare them, see which one actually performs best, and by the end, I'll reveal the ultimate winner. And remember, all the links are in the description below. Let's jump in. Number 3. 3D Speed All-in-One Polish and Wax. Kicking things off at number 3, we've got the 3D Speed All-in-One, and honestly, this one is all about simplicity meets results. This is a true one-step solution, meaning it corrects light swirls, boosts shine, and adds protection, all in a single pass. Perfect if you don't want to spend hours detailing. What really stands out here is how beginner-friendly it is. It has a long working time, doesn't dry out too quickly, and wipes off super easily, way easier than many competitors. Compared to more aggressive options, it doesn't cut as deep, but for daily drivers, it's more than enough. You get that rich, wet, glossy look, especially on darker cars, and it handles heat pretty well too. Protection lasts around 3 to 6 months, which is decent, but not the longest on this list. So if you want something quick, easy, and effective without overthinking the process, this is a solid pick. Plus, it's super forgiving. Even if you're new to detailing, it's hard to mess up with this one. But how does it compare to the next one? Number 2. Chemical Guy's C4 and P4 correction combo. Now at number 2, this is where things get serious. The Chemical Guy's C4 and P4 combo is not your typical quick fix. This is a 2-step professional system designed for people who want perfection. First, the C4 compound removes heavy scratches and deep swirls, like seriously noticeable defects. Then the P4 polish refines everything into a glass-like finish. Compared to the 3D Speed, this is way more powerful in terms of correction. It doesn't just hide imperfections, it actually removes them. But here's the trade-off. It takes more time, more effort, and ideally a machine polisher. This isn't for someone who wants a quick weekend shine. This is for enthusiasts or anyone restoring neglected paint. The results? Absolutely stunning. Deeper clarity, sharper reflections, and a true showroom finish. But unlike all-in-one products, you don't get built-in long-term protection. You'll still need a wax or sealant afterward, and that means extra cost and extra steps. So while it beats 3D Speed in correction power, it loses in convenience. What do you think? Would you go for a quick one-step or a full correction system? Let me know in the comments. Number 1. Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions Ceramic Polish and Wax. And finally, number 1, this is where modern detailing takes over. The Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions Ceramic Polish and Wax combines correction and ceramic protection in one bottle, and that's a game changer. This product removes light imperfections just like 3D Speed, but here's the difference. It leaves behind a ceramic layer that lasts way longer than traditional wax. We're talking better water beading, stronger UV protection, and resistance against things like bird droppings and road grime. Compared to 3D Speed, it offers more durability. Compared to Chemical Guys, it's way faster and easier to use, so it hits that perfect middle ground, solid correction, insane protection, and minimal effort. The finish is more of a glassy, reflective shine rather than that deep, warm glow, which looks amazing on modern paint and metallic finishes. And because it's super concentrated, a little goes a long way, making it incredibly cost-effective too. It's basically the smart choice for anyone who wants pro-level results without spending pro-level time. Final comparison plus winner. Alright, let's break this down real quick. If you want fast, easy, beginner-friendly results, 3D Speed is great. If you need serious paint correction and perfection, Chemical Guys combo wins. But if you want the best balance of correction, protection, and ease of use, the winner is Turtle Wax Hybrid Solution Ceramic Polish and Wax. It simply gives you the most value overall. You get shine, protection, durability, and ease, all in one. And honestly, for most people watching this video, this is the one that will give you the biggest visual upgrade with the least amount of effort. Outro. So now I've got a question for you. Which one would you choose for your car? Or are you already using one of these? Drop your thoughts in the comments, I read every single one.